Hello. So today in this video, I'm going to show you my earnings from Udemy. So I recently joined as an instructor in Udemy like 4 to 5 months ago. So till now, I have published three of the courses. So the courses are regarding Java only and Android. So till now, whatever I have earned, I'm going to show you. So this is what I have earned. So this is the revenue report page for the instructor. So as you can see, till now I have gained $29, and you can see like how much dollars I have gained per month since September 2020. So today is 20th February 2021. So till now I have gained $29. So for the February 2021, I have got $7, and the expected date of payment will be April 8. Similarly, I got paid for all other months and I have received it. So this was my Udemy earning, and thank you for watching.